So hello everyone who's watching this channel. I have a nice SHIVAKI, that's funny name for a blender. So funny blender with name is SHIVAKI has been broken for some reason. This was damaged and there is no way you to adjust the speed of this thing. I must say maybe it is working, maybe let's just plug it and see what it's doing. Oh no way, it's not doing anything, just deadly dead. Okay, so let's crack open it. Where do I lost my screwdrivers? Such a nice thing with screwdriver. As always I can find it. This one, no, maybe this one. Let's try with this. Oh, someone took one screw out. Okay, let's proceed. I kind of think this is very easy. Circuitry must be inside, because basically it's it is driven by the silicon controlled rectifier, like BT 60 something TO package. So I open it. Let's go further. I'm assuming, yeah, this thing is opening up. As I say, it is what it is. BTA 60. So let's check what is wrong with this blender. Maybe it's just a cord issue. Maybe something's wrong with the circuitry, but I highly doubt it. It's like 12 amps. This is SCR. It should sustain much more power than this. What does it say? Nothing. Much greater power. So okay, let's check if the signal is coming. Here. And it's not beeping. Oh, this is a cord issue. I can't believe it. Maybe not. No, everything is fine. The fuse. What about the fuse? Oh, the fuse is broken. Why the fuse is broken? Diodes seems okay. Not beeping. SCR. I'm assuming. Okay, not beeping. This is like the control pin, and this should be the power pin. There is none. I think this should be like this. Third pin is what? Why isn't it? Can't understand what's going on here. What about here? Resistor. Something was burning here. Oh, the marks of burning marks. And this, I can't say for sure. Okay, what is going to be wrong? Plus and minus. It's DC motor. DC motor. It has magnets for the actualizing current. It changes back and forth, plus minus, plus minus. Okay, let's see what's with the capacitor. No, absolutely no shortage. Short circuit. The resistor. How much is that resistor? Maybe it's broken. Something. Because this is the primitive scheme. 1 mega ohm. That's correct. This thing, it acts like some sort of diode that is starting to conduct, and after the AC current changes to 0, and then after changing to 0 going to change to -1, this thing is closing, I believe. Then is again it's starting to open, and so it's some kind of oscillation. There is this thing providing, but it is working, starting to work after about 30 volts. How would we test it? Like diode. I assume this is not, and this is not. So I must say it's not broken. How about diodes? Plus and minus. Okay. And this. And this. Seems to be alright. And this. And this. Maybe not. But they are not beeping. Is it? No, they are not. That's strange. Yeah, they're not. So, what should we? And this is good. No, it's not good. But why the fuse popped? Why it is popped? So we have to change it. Can't figure out why something must be shorted on the circuit to this fuse to blow up. This, is it working? Kinda does. Yeah. I mean, I have to push it like hard to this shaft spin. Actually, it's not supposed to do this way, but this was broken. Maybe it fell like that, bend, and something could be broken. Oh. Okay, let's solder it out. This little thing. Okay, come on. Why is not melts? Why it doesn't melt? It should melt already. Maybe not. So I should put some flux to break the oxidation layer on this here. And it's gone. I bet it's 1 amp, maybe 2. Okay, let's see how much is this. So I can't see anything. No, I don't see anything. I only have the 1 amp fuse, but I guess it's going to be okay. Okay, let's proceed. So everything is seems to be fine right up now, but for some reason it doesn't work. So, you know, for no reason there is no broken fuses. It triggered something. Just triggered it. Maybe this capacitor is shorted, because maybe not. Who knows? Can make it a hole here, right, like this. There's a hole. Put it here. I have to make it quick because there is nothing to repair here. If the motor is dead, then I mean shorted. It can be, because it has how should I say it, collector brushes. This is not a brushless motor. If they are in some way got broken, nobody is going to replace this motor. It's way cheaper to buy another SHIVAKI. You see, such a nice firm Such a great company. I'm kidding, of course. It's another Chinese, how should I say, replica, maybe replica. Got it here and there. It's not melting as I expected. A lot of soldering wire. It's not a big deal. I mean, come on, it's a fuse. What's going to be wrong? Those pins out. And let's make it here. I'm assuming like this. Yeah, it seems to me it was indeed. It fell off the ground. That's the issue. Oh, holy smokes! What did I did? What went wrong? This pin got loosened? But why? Ah, this is a shitty one. Come on. Don't be an ass. We almost did it. Are we good? Cool. Yeah, we're good to go. You know, this is very bad things. When you're trying to fix something, but it's tearing apart in your arms, in your hands. I mean, you think, why? But it's not supposed to work. Another issue, the issue after the issue. Are we good? Are we good? I must say, kinda. So let's test it. Let's see if it pop or not again. It's not. Oh, it's alive! Okay. Strange, very strange. Whatever. Thank you for watching. Don't throw away such a things. Maybe it's a fuse. Bye.